How's it going, everybody? Ryan Cudahy here, coming to you with a really exciting destination, FXBG. Very different than what we've done in the past, but nonetheless just as much fun. So we're at Wine and Design on Sophia Street, right across from Brock's. Wine and Design is one of the coolest ideas and a very up-and-coming trend in a lot of cities where it's BYOB, you bring your own drinks and you learn to paint in a very specific way. Not necessarily watercolors, but with water, you got nice paints. And what we did, I went here with my girlfriend Marissa and my mom, and we had a great time last week learning how to paint, and you can actually see the results right here. As you can see, this is an homage to Van Gogh with a nice little Santa and reindeer. As you can see, the sun represents the up and coming of the winter, and the snow represents, no, I'm just kidding. I'm spitballing a little bit there, but we had a lot of fun with it. It actually brought out an artist to me that I didn't really think was possible, and I'm sure it will for you too. So if you're interested in learning more and signing up for a class, you can go to wineanddesign.com, and we have more information on fxbg.com.